Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam. Please check your password and account name. The problem is you didn't type the correct username guys. To fix this, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, program files x86, find Steam folder, double click on it, config folder. Now right click on the config.vdf and select open with and select notepad. Select the edit tab and select the find option. Now in here you just need to type accounts ACCOUNTS press enter, and now you will get this. Under accounts you can able to see your username. Just copy the Steam username and go back to Steam, paste the username we copied, type the password, select the sign in option, type your Gmail verification code. After typing it, it's login without having any problem, as you can see. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.